Hi there. In this session we would like to discuss about how to create pages in WordPress. So already we created one home page, nothing but landing page. Okay, so actually this is a demo website, that's why I couldn't insert some content from here. In upcoming classes we will discuss about the topic also. So here you can see, here there is a page having sample page. This is very default page, came with the existed theme. So what we need to do is to create navigation. We need to create some pages, then after that we have to insert that pages into our navigation menu. That is main important concept. So let me create. So here I would like to create pages like home page I need to create, and about I would like to create about page, and services page I would like to create. Finally contact page I would like to create this contact page. So here we are having, you can see our site is having nothing. There is a navigation having only one navigation known as sample page. Let me see how we can create a navigation. Just come to the pages. Here first we need to create pages, then after that we will create navigation. Come to these pages. Whatever pages would you like to create in your website, you need to use this menu option, nothing but pages. Just click on that pages. Now you will redirect into pages section. See, these are the privacy policy and sample pages are the default pages having in WordPress theme. So just come into this pages section, just click add new page. Then what is happening is it redirect into new page settings. There we need to assign some settings. So we need to assign title of the page. So here I would like to create about page. So about, I would like to create some subheading. Just click on this place. There I would like to insert heading. So I will assign heading 4 only. This is subheading. Okay, I want to insert one paragraph. Just click on this add blog and select paragraph. Here you can insert one paragraph. Brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Just select copy and paste. There I selected I created one paragraph. I would like to create another paragraph. If you want to adjust any modification, here you can insert these settings, and if you want to align the paragraph, then you can use these settings also. See, this is the, here you can select some bold option is there, and you can select this italic option is there. If you want to assign some links, here you can assign link also. I would like to insert dummy link. Just press into submit, then you can see the link is there, like dog is having some link. After clicking on that link, what is happening is that linked page has been open in new tab. Just click on this one. This is enabled option. Just click. So here you can see lazy dog having some linking option also be there. So if you want to modify, or if you want to insert some other settings, here you can insert. If you want to create duplicate, then you can click this duplicate, or if you want to insert anyone, just click into insert after or before, even though you can click after. Just click here and select some subheading. So here I would like to insert subheading. So this is having H2 option. I would like to insert a H4. So I will take this one for dummy, nothing but duplicate. So just click on this duplicate. It will come like this. Just click on this one. What is happening is this page has been aligned. So come into this section. Just after that, what we need to do is, if you click on this one, what is happening is, here you can see the block setting is there. Okay, so if you want to assign some other settings, you can assign paragraph settings is there. If you click on this drop cap, you can able to see like this, and if you want to change color settings, here you can adjust the text color. Whatever color would you like to assign, you can assign that text color, even though you can assign some background color also. Okay, it is having in just blog section only. If you click on this document, it seems to be like this. Here you can insert some image, and even though these pages are having some comments, actually pages doesn't have any comments, so leave them. And page attribute seems to be like this in upcoming classes, and next session I will tell you how to create full width page by using this one. So here you can see I would like to add this one as a default template, and even we can change full width page template also. If you want to adjust the widget from left side or in right side, you can use this option as a left sidebar. Okay, left sidebar is nothing but having left side widgets. So just I would like to select this one as a default template. Just select this one, publish. If you click on that publish, what it asking is, are you ready to publish? Yes. Are you visibility to public or private? Which option do you need? Even though you can assign password protection for this page only by using this option. Publish option, when will you need to publish this page? You can assign some date and time also. Now I would like to publish immediately, so just publish on that. What is happening is, you can see our about us page has been created and placed at pages section. So and next I would like to create services page. Just click on add new. From here also you can create new page. It will be redirect into new page section. So we are going to select a services page. So select on services, and just I would like to paste this paragraph like this. Okay, just I would like to remaining settings document and the block settings are having same to same. Whatever you would like to assign here, you can say take duplicate or before after. You can add widgets. If you want to add some edit HTML tags, you can do that. If you don't need this blog, then you can remove this blog also by using this option. So these are the settings, and I would like to save this as here. See, I would like to assign template as full width page template. Just no, I will use this one as a default template. Later I will show you. Just publish this one. Whatever settings I told you about visibility and some other publish date and time and some other settings is there, and just I will click on this publish. What is happening is services page also we created. Now what we need to do is we need to create a contact page. After that, just click on this dashboard. Just click on this dashboard. You can see your pages. We created services page and we created about page. Now we can create another page. See here in this pages, you can see the pages. Whenever you place your cursor on over that page, it seems to be edit, quick edit, trash and view is there. If you delete this page, what is happening is it will be deleted, but it can't be deleted permanently. It will be deleted, it will be stored at trash panel only. For example, in sample page I would like to trash this one. What is happening is, see here you can see trashed option is there. If we couldn't find that sample page, if you click on this trash, you can find out that sample page. If you want to restore that, you can do that one, or else if you want to delete that permanently, you can delete that permanently. So click on all option. Then what is happening is, here you can see whatever pages you created, you can able to find all these things. If you draft the page whenever you are creating, sometimes it may be got some power problems, it couldn't be saved properly, that page may appear at a draft option. So you can restore that page by using this draft option. So let me create a contact page also. So see here, you can see, if you would like to see the preview of about page, then what you need to do is just click on that view and right click, open new tab. Just what is happening is here you can see about section is there. This is our about page. Even this about page are having a right side widget. Okay, if I would like to do this page as a full width, then I will tell you how we can make this page as a full width, so that this right side widget can't be up here. So come into this dashboard, come to the dashboard. Now come to here, edit page. Just click on, hit on this edit page, then you will redirect into page editing settings. There we can modify our attributes, page attributes. This is default template settings, and I would like to assign it into page with left side. Just update it. This is about page. See here, page updated. Just click on view page. What is happening is here you can see the right side widget is there. By using page attributes, we can align the widgets, left side widgets into right side widgets into left side. So here next time I would like to create this page as a full width page. Let me see how we can do that. Just hit on this edit page. There in page settings, so you can modify those settings. So come to page attributes, just select full width page and update this one. What is happening is now this page has been converted into full width page. View the output. See here, you couldn't say right side widget or left side widget because we selected full width page. So now this about page has been converted into full width page attributes. That option is having a page attributes option. So let's here you can see the page attribute. This is also one of the most important page attributes. Okay, so next we will create one contact page. Just come into the dashboard. There we will create some contact page. Just hit on the add new page. What is happening is you can see the settings of page. So here I would like to create a contact. So please contact us. I will create one paragraph. Then after that I would like to create insert after some heading. So here also you can see most used template widgets you can able to find from here, and some other formatting tags. Nothing but you can insert some code and classes, HTML tags, tablets, performed versus etc etc, and common blocks also nothing but the blank weight, heading, paragraph, gallery. Even you can insert gallery, audio, cover, file, video also by using this common blocks widget. You can insert video and audio also in WordPress. So just hit on this layout elements. You can use some layouts, default layouts provided by WordPress. Just hit on these widgets. There also you can create some widgets. Whatever widgets we installed in our WordPress, those widgets we can insert. Like calendar is an widget, categories is an widget, and the latest post archives, everything is widgets is there. Even though in our pages we can insert some widgets. Embed is nothing but this is the third party platform. Whatever YouTube, whatever Facebook, whatever Instagram, would you like to insert your pages, social media pages into your page. By using these settings you can easily insert, embed those pages into your web page. So here what we need to do is just we need to create one feedback form by using third-party plugin. I will discuss about that topic in next session. Let me finish this one. Just come into this documentation. You will find the default settings is there, and page attribute. I would like to select this page attribute from page with the right sidebar is having default template. Just select that one and just publish. I would like to select publish. Then what is happening is we would like to create some 4 pages. So four of them we created about services and contact page out of 4. So home page, how to we create. So I will discuss about this topic in navigation, how to create navigation class. Just come into the dashboard, there you can see like this. So we created about contact services is there, and I would like to delete this one also, nothing but by using trash option. Just hit on this trash. What is happening is it will be deleted into trash option. So see here you can see bulk actions also be there. Bulk action means you can edit at a time, you can delete at a time, that is known as bulk action. So if you want to edit all the pages at a time, just select edit and click the title, then all the pages automatically selected. Would you like to, whenever you want to edit your pages, just hit on apply. Then what is happening is it redirects into like this. Here in this section you can change anything. Here this is a quick editor option is there. By using this quick editor you can edit a minimum requirement, you can edit the minimum options. So you can change template, page attributes, and you can change comments, and you can change some other publish status, you can change some other information. Okay, do practice. Whatever doubts you will get, please comment me, I will reply for your doubts. Just cancel this one. So even though just click on this quick edit, you can also see like this. These are the settings having minimum settings. These are all the not the main settings. So you can change the title, slug, date, and even you can change the password, or you can change this page as a private also. If you need comment, you can allow those comments, and template page attribute is having full width or default template. Parent also you can create a status. Which status do you need, published or pending or whatever it may be, you can change. So if you would like to change the quick edit, you can change minimum requirement by using quick edit. Or if you would like to change the edit, if you want to change the brief changes, if you had any main changes, just hit on that edit. There you will get some like this. Here you can change easily. Those are all the things having difference between edit and quick edit. Trash and some other settings, view, or you can able to see the preview of the page. These are all things are having in pages only, you can do manage easily. In upcoming next class we will discuss about how to create navigation by using pages. Thank you for watching.